Look what we got today, a 69 Camaro Rally Sport, California built car, number match motor, trans, rear end, colors. It's a 4-speed, it's a posi, it's got gauges. Hey, I'm Jay Grams from the Volo Auto Museum. We have a few hundred collector cars for sale on our website at volocars.com. Pricing, photos top to bottom, all the specs are listed with each car, including this one. There's plenty of ways on there to contact us with any questions you have. We can assist with the whole process. We have shipping, we have financing, we can take more pictures. Whatever we can do for you, please let us know. That's what we're here to do. Let's take this one for a spin. Just an exceptionally clean, honest car. You get that vibe when you're hanging around it. Nothing's hokey or tacky. It's just a good, straight car. That was my impression right off the bat. As I checked the car out, it's a Van Nuys, California car. The floors are as dry and clean as can be. Even up under the inner quarters, it's all clean. The original drain plugs are still there. It's a factory Olympic gold color. You can see it's got spoilers, bumper guards. It's a rally sport with the hidden headlights. Trunk compartment's just super clean. Has a spare and a jack, all painted nice. The latches are clean. The weather strip is nice. So good, clean, straight car. This sounds weird, but it looks good. It's Olympic gold with the dark green interior. And everyone that has seen the car has said, you know, that should be ugly, but it's not. It's interesting. It's the only one I've ever seen, and it works together really well. Obviously, it's got some custom Riddler wheels on it. They add some bling. It's got the hockey stick stripe. Underneath, it has upgraded. The whole front end is all new. It has tubular control arms, disc brakes, and it's all new. This is a VIN number match 350 motor. Has a few upgrades like headers and aluminum intake with Holley carb. Looks like it has an MSD ignition system. A lot of new components. Alternators new. Wiring. Brand new cadmium plated brake booster. Just a lot of new components I see under the hood there. It is its VIN number matched 4-speed transmission as well. It's got the Hurst shifter, console with the gauge cluster, has a tachometer in the dash. The whole inside of the car is just, again, honest, tidy, clean, real nice. It has a 12-bolt posi, the right codes for a 69. It's a 331 posi rear end that's in there. It has reproduction floor mats. Sounds nice too. It's got the right exhaust tips coming out right below the quarters. Nice and snappy, runs clean. Got a nice sounding idle. So it's got the Rally Sport headlights. You know, they're vacuum operated. The one right there opens real easy. This one I had to give a little push. Those are kind of finicky. The shop will check that out. We'll make sure that they're both opening and closing. I know they both close real well. This one needs a little push to open, that's all. But we'll check that out. Oh yeah, it has cowl induction system too. Normally it just has the cowl hood. This has the complete air cleaner, the little actuator in there. It opens and closes the door. I don't think I mentioned it has power steering as well as the power disc brakes. So you got a number matching front to back 350 4-speed posi California car, Rally Sport, cowl induction, gauges. This got a lot of really desirable stuff on it. And again, a good, honest car. Yeah, that sounds nice. Just snappy. That's how I like it. This also has the exterior trim package, which are the louvers on the quarter panels, the trim around the gutters, and the wheel well moldings. So that's a pretty decked out 69 Camaro. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting cars on every day, at least a car a day. And do visit our website, volocars.com, and please contact us with any questions or concerns you might have about any of our cars. Thanks for watching.